The sun's magnetic field flips every 11 years. The sun is a great sphere of hydrogen and helium gas that is compressed by gravity to the point of sustaining nuclear fusion, which releases vast amounts of energy that heats the sun to high temperatures. The sun's very high temperatures rip electrons off many of the hydrogen atoms, leaving them electrically charged. The natural, steady rotation of the sun means that all these charged hydrogen atoms race out, on average, giant cycles around the axis of rotation. Anyone who has ever played with an electromagnet can tell you that when you have electric charges traveling in loops, you get a strong magnetic field. As each charged hydrogen atom inside the sun loops as part of the sun's rotation, it creates a circular loop of current, which forms a magnetic field with the north magnetic pole pointing up out of the loop and the south magnetic pole pointing down out of the loop. To a good approximation, the sun acts as a great bar magnet with the north pole on one end. To a good approximation, the sun acts like a great bar magnet with the north pole on the one end, the south pole on the other end, and both magnetic poles aligned with the axis of the rotation. However, unlike the Earth, the sun is not a solid. The sun is a great ball of bubbling, shifting, swirling gases. As a result, different parts of the sun can rotate at different speeds. In fact, parts of the sun near the equator rotate much faster than parts of the sun near the poles. As the parts of the sun near the equator rotate faster and get ahead of the rest of the sun, they drag the magnetic field lines ahead, causing them to twist and knot. Magnetic field lines tend to guide charged particles. A knot in the magnetic field lines on the surface of the sun therefore leads to the pockets of hot gas getting trapped on the surface, which is unable to boil in space in the usual way. We see this region of trapped gas as a dark spot on the sun's surface and call it a sunspot. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel.